not the best weather for the marathoners. Maybe it is, I don't know. I guess the marathon starts about 9 outside the city. But I got breakfast here at the Hilton Garden Inn in Krakow. So I got some cheese. I went for a lot of pickled stuff. These are pickled squashes, mushrooms, and I got some veggies. There's a bunch of grilled veggies and stuff under there. A couple pork sausages, some eggs, some bacon, ham, yogurt, and of course coffee. That's my morning, but I need to double check my Flixbus and double check everything and get on the road. It's about, I think it's close to 8 a.m. Yeah, it's 7 a.m. So I should have about 3 hours before the bus leaves. So I need to leave here. I wanted to leave here early and do some other things, but with the marathon going on, I'm not sure I want to do much of anything because it's just going to be a nightmare downtown. And I'm not even a little worried about the bus even, making it into town. I'm not sure. I haven't gotten any emails about rerouting yet, but we'll see. But I will say the breakfast is a bit smaller than it used to be. It used to be a little more. Okay, well, I'm on the bus out of Krakow. It's about 10:30. Hey, well, here's the bus station, and it looks like a pretty easy walk. I'll probably get lost once or twice, but it's okay. It's super windy. This looks like it was really pretty at one time, and it's kind of needs a little TLC now. TLC doesn't it? Vicious. So I think I'm headed that way, but yeah, I'm in no real hurry. I got a bit of time, so getting lost won't be the worst thing that could happen. And there's a park right there in front of us that looks like it's worth exploring. And I think that will kind of get me where I'm going in a roundabout way, so I'm gonna head over there and see what I can find. So remember, it's always free to pee on the train, on the bus. It's not always free to pee in public. And that one just doubled the price because it wouldn't take my coins, and then all of a sudden it took them, somebody else's, and then it blah 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 blah. It's free to pee on the train. Remember that. So I got off the bus. It's free to pee on the bus too. Got off the bus and I'm here in, I'm not even gonna, Kosice? I don't know. But it's funny, this mall looks very familiar, almost like I stopped here before. I don't know if it's just a, stamp these out, but I stopped on a bus one time, and it looks very familiar to this, but maybe not. I'm not sure. But anyway, I'm gonna go for a walk. I'm gonna go find that park, and yeah, it is what it is. Flowers are all pointed away from me. It's probably because the wind is at my back. But kind of a cute little flower bed. It's a nice little park over here. Some gates and such. Train station, bus station. And I'm headed this way. Ooh, wow, I just found a bunch more flowers I'll go check out. But pretty cool little scene here. I think I'm gonna pass these locals. Yeah, this looks stunning over here. It's cool seeing pigeons out foraging for food in the grass instead of begging. Oh, it doesn't look like there's any real walkway here. Wonder how much trouble or how pissed off somebody's gonna be if I just walk on the grass. Don't walk on the grass. Look how pretty this is. This is insane. So this one's turned up pretty good. Let's look at that. That's just fabulous. Just fabulous. So cool. Look at those pigeons. They're like baby pheasants. They're huge. Is that a robin? It's just incredible. These are giant birds. Yeah, it's a windy day, so I assume most of this trash is blowing in, so don't judge that because those old people were out there picking up trash. The locals were. This looks like some sort of bunkerage. There's something there, there's something here. But this is just, I love this. I'm sorry. Sorry if you're bored. I just love this. This is crazy. Look, it's on the other side too. It's just beautiful. It's way down over there. You see that yellow strip? It's just beautiful. Look at those yellow bushes. I'll bet it's these. Look at these. Yeah, that's some sort of something. Probably a bathroom. Who knows? Yeah, look at these little flowers here off this bush. These are all wind torn. Let's get up on that one, see how the camera does there. But you can see the bigger ones are over there. Hi. This is way cool. What a beautiful park. Oh, look at that. Look at that right there. Right behind that yellow willow. It's like a mustard green yellow. Look at that building. Oh. I probably should have done a little more homework. All I did is I looked at the hotel, and I looked at a map, and it showed a bunch of like walking areas, park looking areas. So jumped the train and came. The bus actually. This looks like a road, a recessed road. Saw a lot of recessed roads in Oradea. It was really interesting the way they did it. It's something I think America would really benefit from in a lot of cities. They'd recess the roads and then put green space or other things on top of them. And like here, look, it just lets foot traffic flow, lets the park flow, and it also pushes all the noise pretty much straight up, which is cool. But look at this building, this bridge. Kiosk, cold drink menu. Oh wow, I'm so busy looking at the here, I didn't see that big white building there. Yeah, that's a... Yeah, but see how this is a recessed roadway? really genius in a lot of ways. But check out this building up close. Wow. That's like waiting to be in a movie right there. So cool. Look at these archways over here. Look at these archways. Yeah, that is just waiting to be in a movie. Looks like it could use a little repair. But look at this archway, it's just fabulous. So cool. It's not very monstrous, but it's really pretty, right? Police officer on the video. Yeah, look down this street. There's a ton more down there. So cool. Yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna, sorry, these purple ones caught my eye. I don't know what the name of these, but I like the red one, red and yellow. Kind of got that same vibe over at the train station. So, yeah, that's a hard one. Okay, well that was fun, but I'm a few blocks farther, looking up on another beautiful little park here. And guess what? The Golden Arches. It's funny how lazy I am because I use Golden Arches as like a, McDonald's and KFC. They're easy to find waypoints when you're looking at a map. You're trying to get where you're going. It's sad, but it is effective. Look at the old trees in this park. Just a pretty simple park, but those pigeons are huge. Jeez, I don't know what they're feeding them here, but pigeons are massive. Look at the electric rail system. Pretty legit. Pretty legit. And of course, we got a mall over there at H&M. What else do I recognize? KFC. Billa. I don't recognize too many of the others. But go check in, drop my bag, clean up a little, and get some more steps in. Oh shit, check out that McDonald's, that's legit. Not only is it 2-story, it's got a balcony. Pretty cool. No button to press here, no timer, just chill and wait. That's a pretty cool McDonald's. April 2025. I keep forgetting to date these things. And of course, let's check out the view. That's the mall, actually, right there. You see the KFC sign, but you have to go around the block to get here. So I came from that end. I'm doing the math right now. So I walked past McDonald's, I walked past those trees. I came from that clump of trees right there. Oh, right there, right behind that white building with the red roofs, the little funky, that clump of trees. That is over by the train station, bus station. And then we get the row of communist buildings up there on the hilltop. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool, it's like a wall, right? Yep, okay. Oh wow, look at the colors on this building right here. The tin roof rusted. Okay, see you, bye. Well, it looks like it's gonna be a beautiful sunset. This is out the window. This is a side street. I believe I head that way to the old town. And I don't know what's that way. The mall is this way. So, like, I remember that tree and those whatevers. The mall's just right there to the left. You can kind of see that grass to the left. And then this is a casino. All the solar panels, and down there should be the old town. So I'm gonna stop at the bar and then head down there. Have a look-see. Have a look-see. What is this? Stairs down, stairs up. 11 floors. I don't have time today.